Hey guys, today we're gonna open the Duelist pack 19. I think it's the Pegasus pack, which we're possibly gonna get like, sorry, a rare, like a Ghost Rare Relinquish or something. We might have the chance. And the box came pretty fucked up. I don't know what's going on with the, you can see here, like what the hell, man. Oh, by the way, this is the OCG version, so yeah. I don't know what the hell happened to the box. It's like, fuck the FedEx or whatever. Anyway, there should be 15 pack here. So, we should be able to get at least like 2 ultra rares. So, yeah, wish me luck, man. Let's see the first pack. Insect Queen. Armed Dragon level 7. Limiter removal. Oh, what's this? Despalado Libalo Badolago. Yeah, Desperado Revolver Dragon. I think, I'm not sure if that's what it is like in the TCG, because I haven't been playing Yu-Gi-Oh for quite a while. Yeah, so that's one rare right here. And a rare, I don't know what's this. Never seen this before. It's like pretty new to me, all these cards. So yeah, wait, oops, just a second. I need to get the sleeve for this card. Yes, just a moment. There we go. Next card, next pack. I want like the Ancient Gear Golem, you know. Really like it in like Yu-Gi-Oh! GX. Okay, Ultimate Moth, I think. Ultimate Great Moth, whatever. Ancient Gear something. And don't know what the hell this is. Worm Bite. And again, okay, wait. Ojama Kaiso. Yeah, like something has to do with Ojama, I guess. Need to check it up. It's been like a while since I played Yu-Gi-Oh! It's like been like, I think, 8 years. Last time I played Yu-Gi-Oh! Was like Yu-Gi-Oh! GX. We still use like the Elemental Hero and all that kind of stuff. So yeah. Okay, Blast Sphere, Ancient Gear, something again. Yeah, like this trap card. A Time Machine, and another. Oh, this card. Oh, it's in this pack. Holy shit, man. You know, like when Jaden duel with like Crowler, or Dr. Wait, is it Crowler? Yeah, it is Crowler. And Kurono Sensei. Yeah, that's what it is in Japanese. So this duel is so epic. Like, so epic. This is the last time I think you duel with him. He used like the Flame Wingman to knock his Ancient Gear Golem. Like they duel on the first day, and it was like his graduation ceremony, and they dueled again, and it was like all over the same thing again. I wanted this card. I was like checking this card today during office. I was like, holy shit, man. And then like got this card right in the night after I received my pack. I was, oh, it was in this pack. Nice, really nice. Love this card. Wait, I need a sleeve for this card because this is like so memorable. The Flame Wingman knockdown with Skyscraper. Gotta teach you, teach. Do you know what like the Skyscraper does? It raises his attack by grand total of 1,000. Yeah, that's what it does. Anyway, next pack, and let's hope for an ultra rare. Barrel Dragon, Ancient Gear Golem. There's the Ancient Gear Golem. Ojama Chingu. I don't know. Ojama something. Ojama Party. And Rainbow Dragon. Yeah, I played like Crystal Beasts before. I think that was my tier 2 deck back like 8 years ago. My tier 1 was like Elemental Hero. Yeah, they're not really tier 1 in the competitive world, but hey, that was my best deck, the Elemental Hero deck. The Crystal Beasts were like meh, but it's a fun deck to play. Armor Dragon level 3, Ancient Gear Golem, Ultimate Pound. Ojama Jiku, I don't know. Okay, like Crystal Tree, and whoa, Ultimate Rare Ancient Gear. Is that Ultimate Ancient Gear Golem or something like that? Wow, never seen this before. Because in my age, there was only like the Ancient Gear Golem. That's it. Ancient Gear Golem does it all. Knocks every shit down. Okay, that's a nice foil. Whoa, purple and purple. Nice match. And next pack, I think that's one rare. I hope we can get an ultimate rare or something like that. Armor Dragon level 5, Carbon Coal, Crystal Beast Carbon Coal, Easy Fusion or Instant Fusion, Easy Fusion, because I read it Japanese and I translate it back to English. Oh, Ancient Gear Fusion or whatever it is called in TCG. I think this card was pretty expensive. Yeah, pretty useful. What's this? Like Millennium something? I think. I'm not sure about this, but good. Another rare. Holy shit. Oh, how many packs we've done? Like, I think we've done like 5 pack or 6, and we already have like 3 rares. I mean 3 shinies. Not bad, man. Not bad at all. Next pack. Oops. Bump into the mic. Oof. Illusionist something. Okay, Pegasus. Damn, man. This card was like the best, very best card for the Crystal Beasts. Rainbow Bridge, limiter removal, and Thousand Eyes Restrict. Man, it took me a while to think of his name. It's like, what the hell is it? It's like, I have the ultra rare of this card in Japanese. Yeah. Ultimate, actually. Some shitty moth insect. Don't know what's this. Ella Circulator. Air Circulator. Ojama Chingu. Whoa, 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 whoa. Holy shit balls. Oh my god. Fuck that. That's what I'm saying. Ghost Rare Relinquished. Oh my god. It looks so fucking cool. That's what I'm waiting for. Holy shit. I don't think... Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Look at that. Look at this. Look at closely. Yo, 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 yo. Holy shit. And Ghost Rare Relinquished. That's what I'm waiting for the whole box. I mean, this card is worth them a whole box. You know how much I paid for this box? 120 Patakas, which is around 15 US dollar, I think. About 15 US dollar. And this card is worth more than everything. Than the whole box. Holy shit. I need to give the review back to the seller saying I got a ghost rare. Whoa. Ghost rare from his box. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. This is fucking great. What a nice day. Next pack. Insect Queen WXYZ. VWXYZ. That's what Chaz used. You know, with Jaden, and Jaden fucked him up with the Green Kuribo level 10 with Transcendent Wing. Transcendent Wing. Yeah, not Wing. And Ojama something. Time Machine, and I don't know, some sort of Parasite. Yeah. I don't bother reading it. If I'll read it later. No idea. Like the new cards. So great. Ultimate Moth. Some heavy armor shit. Dragon. Rainbow Bridge. Whoa! Ojama. Okay. This is the Rainbow Over Dragon. Yeah. We never had this when we were playing like Crystal Beast. Actually, I might start playing back Crystal Beast. If like they have like kind of like a new card supporting them, you know? Because like Crystal Beast was really shit back in the days when I was playing with them. there's like no chance you can call out the Rainbow Dragon and people will just rape you with like Giant Trinade or Heavy Storm. Yeah, it's like, I'll check its effect and let's see if we have like the chance to play it. Maybe like get that, like a new Crystal Beast deck or something. Okay, I see a rare already. Wow, I can't believe it. How many rares we've got? Holy shit. Insect Queen, Arm Dragon level 7. Crystal Release, is that what it's called? And okay, Crystal Kizuna. I can only read the Japanese. I have no idea what it is in English. So, but I think it's a not bad card. And like some Super Evolution Cocoon. Whoa, we have like a rare every pack. Can you fucking believe that? So like ultra rare, ghost rare, rare, ultra rare. Holy shit, man. This pack is so worth it. Actually, at first I was like planning to buy the TCG version of the Ancient Millennium, but it comes in like 36 pack and it's cost quite a lot. Yeah, so I didn't bother buying it. And I might just say, okay, let's go with the Japanese version. And whoa, look what we got here. Holy shit, rares after rares. Rares after rares. Okay, why we always get this shit, man? Like the Great Moth, Ancient Gear, Ritual, yeah, Black Illusion Ritual, Limiter Removal, and what the fuck's this? BM4 Bomb Spider. BM4 Bomb Spider. Whoa, 2,200 defense. I got to have some negative effect. I'm telling you, like some like strange effects that will cost you life points, or yeah, there's no way a level 4 could have like that much defense. Blast Sphere, Ancient Gear. I don't know. It's like Ancient Gear Element, because that's what it is in Japanese. Like, let me see, Antique Gear Flame? What the hell, man? It reads flame. Flame in Japanese. I have no idea. And another of these, like this like card, I don't know. I think it has something to do with like, oh, it's a field spell. Yeah, like have something to do with the machine types monster. How many packs? Okay, 2 more packs. I don't think we're getting any more rares. Holy shit, look how many rares we got. Barrel Dragon, Ancient Gear Golem, Time Machine, Njama. Last pack. Come on. I don't think, can we get an ultimate rare? No way. I don't think. It's like the best is the ghost rare right here. Level 3, ultimate pound, blah blah blah. Okay, okay, this card again. Love this card, man. Love this card. Jaden and Crowler. Jaden and Crowler. Okay, so that's all we got here. And got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 rares. 11 rares, and how many ultra rares we got? And rares. One rare. No, I mean one. Is it ultra rare or rare for this? Wait, rare is like the silver word. This is like, I don't know. This is super rare. 1 super rare, 2 super rare, 3 super rare, and 2 ultimate. Ultra rare, and this doesn't count. Sorry, and 1 ghost rare. Wow, what a nice pack. I'm gonna definitely I'm gonna use Relinquish in my deck someday. Love this. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Thank you.